you know this one? Joulupukki, joulupukki. Now, Barbarian. No, it's like that. It's like this. Is already fight going on here? We wanna wish you.
Don't break the Christmas. Perkele. See, it's a Vargo.
Oh, good.
Wow.
What's going on?
Obviously, it's a Christmas time. And we have a beautiful tree here. And now it's ready. It's here in the corner and we're gonna put some lights and decorations. And this is from jungle.
Yeah, it is.
Christmas tree from jungle. We don't have jungle in Finland, we have forest, but we have similar trees actually. This is a little bit different but similar, isn't it?
It is.
It is similar.
We have this kind of
Yeah.
needle
Needle tree. Mr. Black Barbarian, we have some work to do. Come here, brother. But you are not ready yet.
Oh man.
You are not ready yet.
Show me. Oi.
It's a Christmas time.
Christmas time.
Yeah, so we need to have the hat.
Of course.
We are Finnish elves.
Why not?
Or Finnish Santa Clauses, whatever. We have many names.
I have my own style.
We have a, my goodness, look at you.
This is my style. Where are we going?
We are gonna go buy some last decoration, some wrapping paper and something for the Christmas tree. Do you know any Christmas song in Finnish song? Do you know this one? Joulupukki, joulupukki. You know?
Vanha ukki.
Don't know exactly what I need to buy, so let's make it sure. So the women in the house will be happy, so we don't need to go back again, you know. That's why. Hello. What was the thing what I need to buy? Something the black one, something black. Yeah. You ask Bahun. Ah, okay. You are Bahun. So you are my wife. Okay, because your sister and you have the same voice exactly, especially in the phone.
Did you get all you need?
Na Barbarian kakaling.
Nice song.
Yes, it's a very nice. Good song.
What and with yes.
Because it's a Christmas time, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna decorate the beautiful tree what Black Barbarian has cut from the. He has cut the tree for us because he has strong muscles. I have also, no worries about that.
I have to. I'm strong.
Kasi woman is always very strong. But we're gonna decorate the tree and then we're gonna reveal something.
We're gonna reveal something which everybody has been waiting for so long. Pila up. Slam mo yakaneka gender reveal kajungi. So yeah, up shushu reveal. After the decoration, we're gonna reveal if it's a boy or a girl. So let's start the decoration. So which one you will start first? Which one we will use, nah?
We have so many things.
Yeah.
We have so many things here.
La 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 la.
You know what? Actually, I could.
Let's dance. Let's dance. You
want-
are I'm
So
white
many
and you're
so
red.
many people was also saying that we should do the uppy tappity.
Oh yeah. We will do appita.
But we should do the video also for the uppy tappity. How you say uppy tappy?
Appita. So let's put some.
Leo,
Oh,
also
even
you come
Leo
also.
also want to decorate it.
You will
Ikaw
also
ang
come.
decorate Leo ro. Wow. You will need to do it round and round. It should be round and round, honey.
How it could be?
It
like
should,
this,
no. It should be round and round. It should be round and
There's
round.
always something. Man is around. It's a no. It's like that. It's like this.
Yes, man doesn't know how to decorate it. Like a woman. See, women knows how to decorate it. That's it.
But this should be here, Mo. Like
Huh?
this. Like this, like
okay.
that.
You put it there. There.
Here.
Oh.
Oi. Is it too tightly? Is it too like, like it should be get more like air. You know what I mean? It's like thinking that it's like it's not so like that, but it's more like lightly goes. There's already fight going on here. already fight is going on.
I'm Mike Tyson.
You are Mike Tyson, need to take
Yes.
care of that.
Yes.
So I was thinking like this.
How you are thinking?
I need your help. I need your help.
He said he knows now he's in
Yeah.
trouble.
I'm
Of course.
I am in
Of
trouble.
course.
I am.
This is what I'm telling you. I'll do the way I would do it. Now you move. You come to this side, Mr. Confident.
I'll be back.
Actually, this is my first time to go to Tanzania and celebrate Christmas this year.
Wow. Wow, that is so nice. No?
It's gonna be
You're gonna
interesting.
celebrate with your family.
Yeah, me and my mother.
It's so beautiful thing.
It is. It's very
With
valuable.
with your family, with your loved one.
hmm
What could be more beautiful than that? Isn't it?
That's the Christmas spirit. Bringing family back together.
Look, now it's much better, right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
I love it.
Of course, I'm always good. Don't underestimate me, okay? I'm good in the
Actually, I knew Abdi was gonna mess up as soon as he said he opened his mouth.
Right?
I think you're gonna see later.
Yes, I'm gonna
Yes.
see later.
His eyes gonna be blue.
Blue and black.
Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Miss you? We wanna wish you, not miss you.
Sorry. Again.
We wanna wish
Again.
you a Merry
Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
and a Happy New Year. Sing now.
Continue.
Again.
Barbarian. Babule ba mentore kaniba ai bala wo oh.
Okay, don't break the Christmas now. Wow, good, Leo.
Many Finnish songs.
I know.
I teach you.
Okay.
Joulupukki, valkoparta, vanha ukki.
Slowly. I cannot take all the sentences.
Okay, you say first. You say joulupukki,
Joulupukki, joulupukki.
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 Okay, let's do a few times. This is funny.
It's getting better. It's getting
Okay,
better.
so joulupukki.
Joulupukki.
Valkoparta. Valkoparta.
Varlopauta.
Vanha ukki.
Vanha-ukki.
So it goes. Joulupukki, valkoparta.
Perkele.
You went through every Finnish people's hearts by saying that word.
Oh yeah.
Baby. You are better with this one. Huh? Could you put this light on the Christmas tree? What do you say?
You try first.
I try first.
Like a proper wife does, will correct your mistakes.
Yeah. You're right. Absolutely.
How to do? Just like
you
this.
you figure it out. You figure it out. Come on. Figure it out. Come on, baby. I'm giving you the opportunity.
I'm very glad and happy for this opportunity. Very happy for this opportunity to put the light in the Christmas tree somehow. Trying as a man to figure it out how it will turn it out. How it will turn it out. Turn it out.
Turn it up.
How it will turn out.
Yeah.
Saying because I know my wife well, so she have more, the touch of this kind of thing.
I know you just want to pass these things to me. That's why you were saying like that. Come on, I'm not that fool. You cannot make me a
Play
fool.
the fool to the fool, so the fool thinks that you are a fool, but actually
They the fool.
that's what.
If you are smart enough, you know what it is.
Looks like you're in trouble, Aki.
I am very in trouble because this is like a 20 meters long, this one.
Yeah. About the experience of laboring a child, it's very painful. It's really very painful. But it's beautiful when after you see your child, all the pain it goes away. All the pain it goes away. And it's a beautiful thing to be a motherhood now and seeing your child every day, the smile on the face of the child. It makes a beautiful day for you. Every day when you wake up, you see your child and it's a beautiful day. No matter what, how difficult it is, how hard it is, everything, it just goes away. But yeah, while I was in the labor room and then when they take out the baby, as soon as the babies came out, I can hear the sound and it just melted my heart and I feel it like, oh my God, finally the baby is in the world. And then I'm so happy when they came to show up the baby and I was like, oh, here is my child. I've been wanting it for so long. Because I love kids. I really love kids very much. And
She do.
yes, and when I talk about that, it feels like I wanna. It's just,
Emotional.
too sensitive when I remember that time. It's beautiful when they come to show up a baby and then I saw my child is there. It's so beautiful.
Yes.
Finally it happens.
Yes.
Yeah, and my dreams come true. Yeah, of course. Beautiful thing.
Thank you for coming.
Ready. Now it's our turn to get ready with our child, and let's see. It's a boy or a girl.
Oh, girl.
Yeah, because people have been waiting for this. There have been comments it's a boy or a girl. So obviously we cannot make you wait more longer than this. And as a Christmas gift, so we will reveal the gender.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ta-da! So here we have our baby girl. So everybody wants to know. Kung ba filaya up mo fi ko ban tip ide contain nation rang tem tas ngi pedang buram ban ngi pen fi ba ngi la yo pedang ngi ikut contain jingi mo apa ka jing em ka jingi ban ngi sngo comment ban ngi yo pedang ngi
Definitely.
So yeah, we would like to wish you a Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year.
We have some gifts.
Oh yeah.
Isn't it?
Oh, Daddy has a gift for you,
Ah.
my girl. For the
We have few gifts
Princess
actually.
Alina, your gift na Daddy jing e.
What is it? Daddy Chongi.
Daddy jong e.
Daddy Chongi.
Oh.
What it means? Oh,
And your gift na ipa jong e ken.
oh, okay. So we open this one first now. What is gonna be here?
Christmas gift.
Christmas time. Let's do it.
Oh, by the
So
way,
many-
yeah. So we would like to declare also her name. Her name is
Yes.
Elina.
Elina. Whoa! Some elf Santa Claus has bring some.
Beautiful.
My
Look at Elina,
goodness.
for you. Daddy has bought for you this.
Oh, yo
red
yo.
color. Elina, idadi IP ka
Oh.
kasabti. Ba itanad bah IP.
This is
Wow,
also
what is
looks like a
this?
soft one. Soft one looks
What
also.
is this?
Okay,
Daddy
let's
has
go.
given me- Ah, what is inside? Whoa! Wow! Wow!
Actually, this is a little bit like a Finnish color. Next one.
Wow! What is there,
What is here?
Elina?
More.
Elina
What is
got
here?
so many gifts from her dad.
Hey,
Wow! Princess dress. She got a dress, another dress from her daddy. Thank you for watching this episode.
Yes.
And so much love from AB family.
Yes.
Happy Christmas in advance and Happy New Year. Thank you so much.
God
love.
bless you. Oh.